So in this video, we will talk about when the people are sitting in a rows, but there are three rows in which they are sitting, not two rows. Okay, maybe it's a new question for you in which people are sitting in three rows. Okay, let's do it. Okay, how can we do this question? The question is there are 16 persons. There are 16 persons are sitting in three parallel rows, clearly mentioned here. Only 4% are sitting in row 1. All are facing south direction. Only 8% are sitting in row 2 such that the first 4% from the west face north direction and the first 4% from the east face south direction. And only 4% are sitting in row 3 and all are facing north direction. Okay. And it's a really good question, right? For example, if you will claim this is row 1, okay, this is row 2, this is row 3, okay, done. Okay, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3. Okay. Now 4 people are sitting here, 8% are sitting here, and uh, and only 4% are sitting in row 3, basically 4 here. That's why 8 and 16% are here, right? What is given to you? Row 1 is north of row 2. Yes, row 1 is north of row 2, right? Row 1 is north of row 2, right? Done. Okay. Row 2 is north of row 3. Yes, it is given to you. Yeah. It means whatever we mentioned is right. Okay. And similarly, first 4% from the east of row 2 means uh, 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 from here basically. The first 4% from the west of row 2 are facing the person in the row 1. Okay, basically the first 4% in the row 2 looking upwards. Okay, done. Why? Because only 4% are sitting in row 1, all are facing south direction, means they are looking downward direction. Correct? This is given to us, right? Done. Okay. And only 8% are sitting in row 2 such that 4% are from the west north and from the first 4% from the west face south direction, means from the east side they are looking towards south direction. Done. Done. And only 4% are sitting in row 3, all are facing north direction, so basically this one. Okay, this is given to us. Done. My suggestion to you, it's a complicated situation, always draw two diagram to make your situation more to represent all the scenario clearly. Okay, so I will say 4 are here. Okay, 4 are here. Okay, very similar, right? And with the practice, you will analyze that it's not tough to draw two diagrams, right? By the way, it will save your time. Okay, done. For example, the question is this in the first row. How these 16% are sitting, in which direction they are looking. This is given to you, right? Now the question will start from here. 4% are sitting between P and Q. Okay. The 4% are sitting between P and Q. Now the point is that the 4% are sitting between P and Q. Definitely they are sitting in row 2. Okay. Why? Because 8% in this row. It means we are looking here for a 6%. So let's say, and it is given to you neither P nor Q sits at any of the extreme ends. So what is the point? P and Q cannot come here. So my suggestion to you, if 1, 2, 3, 4, you will say if this is P, this is P. Okay. So this should be Q. And the reason I'm drawing two diagrams so that you can analyze it. If this can be Q, this can be P. Not a problem. Are you getting a point? So that's why best idea is to two diagram to visualize the thing in a more clear manner. Right? Next point. Q faces the one. Q faces the one who sits immediate right of R. Q faces the one who faces immediate right of R. Can I say this is R? In this row, this is R. Yes or no? Q faces the one immediate right of R. Done. Two situations again. But if in one diagram you will put up all the scenario, that will be complex. That will be complex for you, right? This line is also done. Q faces the one who sits immediate right of R. Done. Next line. One person sits between R and S. So definitely S is this. Here S is this. Clear, right? T and U are sitting immediate right of each other. T and U are sitting immediate right of each other. What does it mean? Immediate right of each other means T and U have the opposite direction. This is possible only in this scenario. Means if T is this, U should be this, or U should be this, then T should be this. Yes or no? This is the scenario. If this is the T, this is the U, this is the T. I don't know right now what is the right scenario. That's why I'm representing both the scenario here, right? This is T. Done. Later on, we will decide which one is right, which one is wrong. Okay. T and Q are facing in same direction. T and Q facing in the same direction. So Q downward. So T should be downward. You cancel here. Yes or no? Done. And T and U face T and Q are facing in same direction. Means if Q is upward, T should be upward. Yes or no? Clear? So now we can decide easily where T will come, where Q will come. Yes or no? Now X sits to the immediate left of Y. X sits immediate left of Y. Again, definitely, if X and Y immediate to each other, that will be possible only in this. Yes or no? And here only will be this. Yes or no? And it is mentioned to you both are facing in north direction. Now, this is very important line of this question. X and Y, immediate left of Y, X immediate left of Y, I will draw here. X immediate left of Y, done. And both are facing north direction. Definitely this is only possible in this diagram because here they are in south direction. This is wrong diagram. Done. So X is immediate left of Y. But the problem is where X will come here or here, we don't know right now. So, but we know very well this situation will fit here, right? Next line. Y face the one who sits second to the right of Z. Second to the, very important line. Y face the one who sits second to the right of Z. Second to the right of Z. Right. So second to the right of Z means this, right? Yes or no? And we know X and Y will come here. So definitely Y will be here, X will be here. Correct? Done. Y face the one who sits second to the right of Z. Done. Y faces the one, U faces the one who sits third to the left of V. Third to the left of V. Definitely V should be here. U faces the one who sits third left of V. Sorry. Third to the left of V means V should be here, right? Not here. Third left of V should be this, and U faces the one who sits third to the left of V, correct? V and W are immediate neighbors, so W should be this. Yes or no? Done. N sits second to the left of M. N sits second, various situations. This is also possible, this is also possible. N sits second to the left of M. N sits second to the left of M. Done? Done. M, who sits third to the right of O. Now it means this is only for the situation, this one, the row one. Why? Because N sits second to the left of M about M, who sits third to the right of O. Are you getting a point? Third to the right of O. Done. Right now, 3 vacant position ONM is only in this row, right? So if I will say, let's say, N sits second to the left of M. Let's say M is here. So N should be this. M third to the right of O. Definitely this is only possible here. 1, 2, 3. Done. K sits second to the right of J. K sits second to the right of J. K sits second to the right of J. Only these positions are vacant. Second to the right of J. K should be there. Yes or no? And this is a final diagram in front of us. And you can easily analyze how this thing will work whenever you are making 2 diagrams. Things are easy for you. Things are clearly visible, right? What is the question? Who among the following sits immediate right of K? Immediate right of K. Definitely it is S. So this is the question. I believe this is clear. Okay. I believe you solved it by yourself, then you are watching it, right? If you are doing in this way, that will helpful for you. Okay. All right. So, okay. So in this, thank you.